Oh, direct hit. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. A week ago I did the comparison between the Parrot Mambo and the Rise Tello drones, and I did that because of the new low pricing on all Parrot's toy drones. And I showed you basically it's a nice drone, but I did not want the video to be too long, so I did not expand on the accessories that come with the Mambo. I want to do that today with some cool flights. So as you can see here, we have the Canon. We're very well designed. It doesn't jam really, so it works all the time. There is also the grabber. You can grab a small object of about 4 grams, they say in the documentation. So we'll try that also. And finally, with the contacts on the top of the Parrot Mambo, it's the same size as a standard Lego pin. So you can put a mini figurine and fly your Mambo with like a commander or a pilot. So let's go now and have a look at that. Okay, take off. Get closer. Closer. Oh, direct hit. Oh, wow, second hit. Oh, wow, you could. I think that was the win. Yeah, you're getting a little too close there. Are you out of ammo?
Yeah.
Okay, let's land. Okay, let's try the grabber now. Okay, take off. Higher a bit. Okay, grab. We got the card. Okay, let's deliver a card. Success! But of course the other cards failed, but hey, the grabber works very well. That's it guys. I must say the Canon and the grabber are a lot of fun to use. So thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye guys.